Please tell me what is happening with MT. For a guy so talented to just not give a damn about his craft. At this point, being MT's fan is the same as being Shepashit's fan. We are hyping up in nonsense, guys, at this point. Same as if fans is a Chiefs. You can't push hip-hop forward when you're always half asleep. I just need someone to come and hit MT with an avocado, man, because...
They hit me with an avocado, man. I told my grandma, I'm like, hey, I just been hit.
Hi fam, welcome to Pop Culture Daily News. Ninjani. So a trending video of MT sleeping while standing up during a live performance is doing rounds on the socials. He was at Apidoza one-man show and he couldn't even perform, guys. How embarrassing. Watch the video. MT was just not having it. He was unresponsive. He was just not there. This person, Kebetunana, is a paid professional who's supposed to be doing his job. And you're not going to tell me that he was probably tired. In no way. We are just glad that he didn't take out his sausage and start peeing on the stage, because it seems like Ngoku Akonda impossible with him. It's really so sad to see how he's fumbling all this potential he has. Imagine his friends that came out and that time is not even aware that he's on stage. He was probably performing for his ancestors in his dreams at this point, because he couldn't even see the girl that was in front of him trying to hype him up. On a serious note, guys, we cannot clap for MT when he's doing bad. That's like saying he must continue self-destructing. How is he going to wake up if his fans are the ones making excuses for him? This young man still has a bright future, I would like to believe, but I guess he's just not that hungry anymore, because what the heck, Sana?
Discipline is one thing that is important in this game. You gotta be disciplined, man, because my temptation is Bali, yo, left, right, and center. Especially at Joe's, yo, hey, Joe's is VTs. If you're not disciplined, then you're not gonna make it for your interview. Then you're not gonna make it for your performance. And lastly, like say, abantu bafuna jive, so make people dance. That's why it's important.
I hope he listens to advice from the likes of DJ Tira, because they've been in this game since forever, so they know. Okay. Any advice, guys, for OMT that you can give him? Drop it in the comments. As always, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I will love you for it. See you on the next one. Bye.